my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with Alexis Sanderson. Alexis is 9 years old. She has spastic quadriplegic cerebral palsy, and she's bored from cerebral palsy. And she is a level 3-4, which means her main method of mobility is in a wheelchair, but she can walk with 2 hands held pretty well, trunk support pretty well, 1 hand held support not so well. She can sit independently, unlike the fact that it looks like I'm being the couch. I have her straddling a whole body vibration unit. Vibration has been found to decrease spasticity in children who have cerebral palsy or any other form of stiffness. So I do use it real regularly to start off a session, to warm up a child, starting off on the whole body vibration unit. This one is different from the one I use in the office. There are different types of vibrations. Some of them go side, well, they usually go this direction, side to side. Some of them go up and down. Some of them go in a triangular movement. I like the ones that go side to side. With the child who has cerebral palsy, I try to put it up to an intensity that they will tolerate. I think the faster frequencies are more likely to decrease the stiffness. On this one, because her leg was touching the function buttons, I put magazine over them just to keep her leg from activating the buttons. I have her straddling it because Alexis tends to scissor her legs when she walks, so this gets a nice stretch to her adductors and gets the whole body vibration as well. I like families to have one of these units themselves. Right now they run about $100 US to be able to purchase one. I like for families to use them anywhere from 2 to 10 minutes a day. And I find that afterwards, for short periods, it has an effect of decreasing the stiffness. I hope this is an idea that's helpful for you, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. We'll talk to you later. Can you wave bye-bye to them? Bye-bye. Oh, was that it? Bye-bye.
If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.